Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for all the notifications. So let's cover the topic operating system. Let's see the introduction and functions of OS. So we all have personal computers, laptop, etc. Right? So most of the normal users might use Windows and professional techies, etc. use Linux. So this Windows, Linux, etc. are operating system. Now let's actually know understand what an operating system is. See the first point, it is an interface between a user and a computer hardware. Yeah. For example, if a user need to access the hardware directly, then he need to write the code. He need to write many codes. So if an operating system is present, then he need not write it. Operating system helps the user to access the hardware. Yeah. And see the second point, it controls the execution of all kinds of programs. So many programs are being executed, right? So OS helps in the execution of all of this. It really controls it. And so example, Linux, Windows, VMS, AIX, etc. are the examples. Now let's see the figure of it. Here there are many users and software. There are two types of software: system software, application softwares, and it is connected to operating system, and operating system is connected to hardware. Hardware can be CPU, RAM, input output devices. You all know what is input output devices. They are printers, keyboard, mouse. Keyboard, mouse are input devices, and monitor, printers, etc. are output devices. So see, if a user need to access the hardware through software which has operating system, it is being connected. So with the help of the operating system, the user is connecting the hardware. So operating system is an interface, okay, between user and a hardware. Next one is, let's see the important functions of operating system. They are memory management, process management, device management, file management, security, control over system performance, job accounting, error detecting aids, coordination between other softwares and users. Let's see each one. Memory management. Memory management refers to the management of primary memory or main memory. So, managing the main memory is meant by memory management, and main memory provides a fast storage. Yeah, main memory is really fast and CPU can directly access the main memory. See the third point. If a program have to be executed, then it should be in main memory. So if any of the program need to be executed, they should be in main memory. Without they being in main memory, a program cannot be executed. And operating system does the following for memory management. Let's see what the operating system does for memory management. It keep track of primary memory. So operating system keep track of the memory. OS decides which process will get memory. So OS decides which process will get the memory and allocates the memory when a process requests to do so. So if a process requests for a memory, then it allocates the memory and deallocates the memory when the processor no longer needs it. So if a processor no longer needs the memory, then operating system deallocates it. Means it takes the memory from it. Next one is processor management. OS decides which process gets the processor, when and how much time. So it is the OS who decides which process gets the processor and when and in which time it gets. And OS decides the following things for processor management. Let's see what the OS does. Keep track of processor and the status of the process. So this operating system keeps track of the processor and see the status of the process. I will be discussing about the process, the status of process, etc. in my next lesson. I will take a video on that. Next point is allocates the processor to a process. So processor is CPU. So operating system allocates the CPU to a process and deallocates the processor when the process no longer needs it. So deallocates the CPU when the process need it. Next one is device management. OS does the following things to device management. So for device management, let's see what the operating system does. It is keep track of all devices. Yeah. The main role of operating system is to keep track of all of these things. So operating system keep tracks of all the devices, allocates the device in an efficient way, deallocates devices. as I said in all the other managements, in process, in memory, etc. Everywhere operating system is allocating, deallocating, etc. Next one is file management. File system is normally organized into directories for easy navigation. Yeah, for easy navigation, file system is normally organized into directories. Yeah, we really can you see in library, books is being piled right in many sections. So, yeah, for example, if you need to refer to a book, if there is a library or library and you need a book from of operating system, then there will be section for operating system. You can go there and take it, so it is easily navigating, you can easily navigate it. If you please think that they have it organized into directories, they have just kept the book somewhere. So if you need a book on operating system, then you will need to search the whole library, right? It is very much difficult. Yeah, the same way. So this is the second point. Operating system does the following activities for file management. It is keeps track of information, location, uses, status, etc. The collective facilities are often known as file system. Second point is decides who gets the resource, allocates the resource, deallocates the resource. These are the functions of operating system. So it is very much important. The role of operating system is very much vital for a computer. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.